Hello, my lovely friend. See website. As we know that when we have a problem of cloud deactivation in your iPhone device, always refer to our Google, and this website is displayed via Google at the top of website in a Google search engine. Is it fact that? Is it functional? No, absolutely fake. Why I am telling you? Because I was also aspirant of this website to de-lock of cloud activation of my iPhone device. I have paid $53 to this website, and in the returning I got him nothing. So no corollary to visit this website. Just I can see you strongly that huge contribution in a cybercrime of this website. Why? Because I give you so many written documents. On the basis of it, you can clarify and justify that it's a fake or not. Just it's our biggest scam at the modern time. So I have already paid. So let's track. See. This is my phone. IMEI number and iPad on this day. US $53. And you can see that in a pound, 39.99 pound. Sorry, in a euro you can see, and in an Indian currency, more than 3,400. So see, after 3 days, this message was displayed that we attempted to remove your cloud locked device from the previous owner account, but unable to do so, as the cloud account associated with the device unfortunately marked by Apple as stolen mode. Now, but before doing the registration and the paying for deactivation lock of my device, there was no blacklisted message. But after paying this message, after 3 days, will come. How you will trust? See, let's visit my now ID. See, this is my email ID, and I will give you so many documents. On the basis of that you can justify that it's nothing, just fake website. See, here one message is important to notice, that use browser to your browser in a future. For what purpose? For blocking of network carrier and other problems. Just they will, they will once again deceive to you in another way. Just will attempt to make a fool you. That's all. So let's visit now. I'm a light. See, this email is replying behalf of this website. See, support iPhone IMEI.net. My dears, firstly, this message was displayed. See, lost in mode, your phone has been, so now it wouldn't be refunded. So I replied, sir, refund my money. I am a poor. I am sorry to trust on your website. It was my biggest mistake. Then, what's the reply? Let's see. See. Then, the message once again in the next C. Now replying, unfortunately, we don't have the specific date or even time scale for obviously this service is a high demand and we are looking forward to the bringing of the service back online. We have you on a record as the requiring just giving the vouchers that and they finally suggest contacting the recyclers such as these website link to go there and sell your device up to the $17. So see, before this website, as we know, when this message was given that so many show your document that you are a real original owner of this device, then this was actually my hardcover and document of my cell phone, and this is a bill book of that. But I did the foolish mistake, that I didn't approach to Apple service. So that's why this is my phone email ID and sorry, this is my blacklist. Once again, actually I checked off that. So that was still it's clean from another website. If you don't believe that, put my EMI ID and a serial number and you will get it definitely in another website except this website that your phone is clean. That's all. So after all, if you conclude of that, because I replied that sir, just I checked with my cell phone, it was not a stolen mode, just it is because of reset all the contents by the mistake and folder. Yeah, because why my cell phone was imposed in a cloud activation lock, because by mistake I started to reset of that, and after restarting there was required to the enter of your and I was totally forward. So that's why immediately I didn't approach to Apple service center as well as the Apple service by online customer care to educate it. So that's why that was a blunder mistake of me. That I decided to visit of this website and trust it. I paid $53, but behalf of paying that, I didn't get any kind of the compensation as well as the service. So really, it's nothing, just a fake website. On the basis of that, you can justify yourself that yes, $53, it's not a small money, it's a big money for poor people. So that's why it's my humble request that don't visit of this website, because you will get no any kind of the consequences and compensation as well as the service from this website. Just they will